Hello, hello. Hello, people of our land. You're all welcome to my live broadcast tonight, especially for the beginners learning Igbo language. I want to use this opportunity to bring to your notice something called Igbo connectives, all right? And you can call it conjunctions. Mm? In Igbo language, we call them njiko uku, all right? Njiko uku. So the connectives, their primary function is connecting one word with another to form a larger construction. All right? Yes, connecting one word to another to form a larger construction. And we have um, different examples of these connectives. Right? We have na, and na can be in two forms. Okay, one of them functions as and the other functions as that, right? We have mana, right? Mana means but. Mana means but, all right? So I will give you little instances where you can use these examples I am listing. We also have ka, hmm? Yes, and ka is how, how, ka. As it is, ka odi. Sometimes it can also function as is, all right, depending on the context where you're using it. We also have tupu, all right, and we have tutu. Okay, yes, before. Tupu is before, tutu is until, all right. And we have mobo. Mobo is or, all right. Okay, and we have maka, and maka is because, because, all right. And we also have mana, but, all right. And we have kama instead of or rather. Okay, yes. So we have each other one. We have ma. And when you're talking about ma, you're either trying to list two things like Ada na mama ya ma nwanne ya. Now let me give you a typical example. You're calling Ada, you're calling Ada's mother, and you're calling even or also the sibling. You want to connect them all in a sentence. So you see where it functions. Now I'll give you some instances where it. Thank you for joining our live broadcast. I really do appreciate you. Please stay with us. Yes, I can see 5 people right here. Thank you for joining. So this instance where I'm giving you where na functions as and. First of all, one of them is munagi. Munagi. It simply means me and you. If you like, you can put it as you and I, but just know that it is me and you. Munagi. You see, it's joining me and you. All right, as a phrase. Now, the next one is nnu na mmanụ. Nnu na mmanụ na ose. All right. Now, this simply means salt, water, and pepper. You know, salt is nnu, water is mmiri. Okay, salt is nnu, water is mmiri. And then pepper is ose. All right. Uh-huh. You're welcome. You're welcome. Emre Gole, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to the live broadcast. Okay. Okay. You're welcome. I see. Emei, you're welcome. You're welcome. So we have ube na oka. Ube na oka. So this na is connecting ube and also connecting oka. Now, you see, ube na oka means pears and corns. Pears and corns. We also have ịrụ ọrụ na izu ike. Ịrụ ọrụ na izu ike. All right? And this means working and resting. Working and resting. Working and resting. Ịrụ ọrụ na izu ike. You see, this na is connecting these two things. It's connecting working and it's also connecting resting. You see where it's functioning as and. Now, the next one is ọrụ ugbo na ịkọ azụ. Ịrụ ọrụ ugbo na ịkọ azụ. And this simply means farming and fishing. Farming and fishing. All right? Okay, I hope you're understanding it. And the next one is nne na nwa. Nne na nwa. And this simply means mother and child. Mother and child. Nne na nwa. Okay? All right, and another one I want to give you an instance of is elu na ala. Elu na ala. And this simply means high and low, or you say top and bottom. Okay? Yes, so please do subscribe to my channel, please. Click on the subscribe button on my channel and also like this video, please. Please, 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 please. Elu na ala. Elu na ala. Remember I said elu na ala means high and low. All right. The next one is ịrahụ ụra na iteta n'ụra. Ịrahụ ụra na iteta n'ụra, which simply means sleeping and waking up. Please do click on the subscribe button on my channel and also like this video for me. Also help me share it. Thank you very much. Subscribing is totally free. Subscribing is totally free. Please do subscribe to my channel. And I promise you it's not going to be a dull moment with me. So another one is ha. Okay, I want to give you an instance where na functions as that. All right. Now let me first start with saying ha ma na anyị ga-abịa. Ha ma na anyị ga-abịa. And this simply means they know that we will come. They know that we will come. Ha ma na anyị ga-abịa. Ha ma na anyị ga-abịa. They know that we will come. Then another one I want to give you the instance now is cheta na echi bụ ụka. Cheta na echi bụ ụka. This simply means remember that tomorrow is Sunday. All right. Now, another one I want to give you now is asịrị m na ụra na-atụ m. Asịrị m na ụra na-atụ m. It simply means I said that I am feeling sleepy. I said that I am feeling sleepy. All right, lovelies, I do hope you understood what I taught tonight. Please, do you have any questions for me? You can just drop them on the comment section. Please drop your questions on the comment section. Let me attend to them. I can see what's going on the comment section. Oh my God. Thank you all so much. I really do appreciate you joining this live broadcast. Please remember to click on the subscribe button on my channel and also like this video for me and share this video too. I really do appreciate you joining me on this live broadcast. We'll be calling it a day here. We'll be drawing the curtain here. See you all next time. Thank you all. Bye.